What's up, man? We back. Drop another video for y'all. Update on this box Chevy. Finally got it back. Right here in front of me. I know y'all probably caught a couple of pictures on the gram or whatever. But anyway, man, I've been putting stuff on here without even recording. So I'm gonna catch y'all up. Here you go right here. Here we go. Matter of fact, hold up. Let me turn this camera around so you can see it good. All right, here you go right here. Now you can see it better. Yeah, so that's what it is. Y'all can see that pearl hidden. We got this pearl on this cream right here. Should be doing all the dancing. I know it's kind of hard to see in this video, but hey, it's dancing, man. And me, regular carburetor motor, but it's clean and nice and reliable. I ain't here to hate on no LS or nothing that nobody else got going, but I'd rather have the original because I'm going to drive mine, so I ain't trying to race. But yeah. The other day I had to put this blow on here to make sure my AC blowing good for when the summer come up. I had to put that blower, you know, compressor, all new hoses, everything new. So we ain't gotta go through that. But yeah, I say that to show y'all this paint job, man. We got signs put on here. We got the original hub caps from 1985. We got all the molding on it. We got all of the chrome trimming around the rim. We got the whole molding, everything lined up nice. And we got the pinstripe put on there. I went with a darker brown pinstripe because my dash on the bottom of it more was darker. But I'm planning on changing that peanut butter. I went with this peanut butter pinstripe because the inside of my car peanut butter. So, daily inside. All right, I redid this dashboard. Shout out to Sprayway, cause he'll motivate you to do anything, man. I can't say he cold with what he do, and he ain't out here just putting a video together. He putting facts on these videos, so you follow directions and pay attention to it, you can do whatever. But yeah, man, I put this in dash in here myself. Went back and painted it, made sure the fitment and everything on it looked neat and nice. I replaced this carpet in here. Crazy thing about it is I think I messed it up though. So that's gonna cost me. When I got ready to put it in here, I started cutting it. And I think I cut it too short for my pieces to go back inside the door, just so it not to pop out at the bottom. It may fit, I just ain't put the pieces back in here because I'm going to get my interior did just to make everything complete, because I done basically did this whole car all over. From the floor panels to the everything under here is sound deadening and kill mat and all of that. And metal correction. Let me open the back door so I can show y'all what I mean. Brand new weather stripping. All up and down. Inside, that's why I did my pieces all over. Peanut butter again. Those are pieces, I got a video of it on there. This came off the door after I got it replaced. I put Scar 6x9s all through the car. So, you know I'm going with Scar bang in the back. I put my third brake light in there. Let me see if my key on. I can show y'all how it works. Let me cut that key on. Key switch real quick. Man, once you get them new weather strips, gotta put a little power in that thing. But I liked it because it ain't no air and all that extra stuff going through it. And I put a weather strip too on my trunk. Let me cut that switch on. Dang, my battery low. Let me see. I got that switch on. So all right, so as y'all can see, my phone connected to the car and now it ain't got no sound. So that's what I was trying to show y'all. Check out the stream in there. Yeah, I just hooked it up not too long ago, so that look good. Got it in there flush, it's tucked. My signals, I hooked up a third brake light, so I gotta show y'all that. Boom, look, that's the right side. Right side flicking, looking good. Now I'm gonna go up in there, show y'all the other side right quick. Boom. Yeah, that's the left side. Boom, see the left side? Boom, it's flicking, looking good. Okay. It hitting off that paint. So big, we're gonna go up in here. Let me show y'all the emergency lights with both of them on. Show you the emergency lights, but first, let me show you. Look at my billet gear, they look good. I still got a cigarette light up in there. A lot of cars don't usually have it, but mine's in. It worked, watch it pop out. Look. Oh, see, it done heated up, it's ready. Look, show it to you, it's red. Boom, so I ain't capping, you know that. All right, I'm hop out, gonna show y'all the emergency lights. Boom, look at the emergency lights heating like that there. So boom, you see that. Go back up in here right quick. Show y'all, boom, that TV tucked up in there real good. Y'all already see that, that look right. Cut the emergency lights off. Close up everything real quick for you. I'm gonna show you my trunk because I put new weather stripping on it. Let me show you my trunk. Try not to show my license plate because I know how that be. Oh, got the trunk open. Check it out. As well. Show how the trunk after you get it painted. Gotta get new weather strip. Can't play with it. And always be prepared too when you're on the road. I got this off on TikTok. TikTok got me. I was scrolling through that whoop. I had to get it. But anyway, that's how I hooked up the back of the reverse camera. I ran it through here. That's another video. I ain't gonna explain all that to you. I'll show y'all this some other time. If somebody need information on it, hit me up, let me know. I got you. But yeah, that's how they go right there. You know. Yeah, man, that's where we at on the Chevy, man. I ain't trying to talk y'all off, but this where we at. We got the Chevy back. We got it painted. We got all the pieces to it. We got all the moldings on the side. We got all the chrome trimming. We got the original hubcaps to it. We got brand new lights in it too as well. So we really getting this thing together. I got my Chevy license plate on it. I'm usually under it every night doing something to it, so you're gonna see that light hanging up there. We got, what else we got? Man, I be doing everything to this car. I just be not recording everything. I gotta get used to recording this stuff on a daily, cause I don't even be doing it all the time. But yeah, got a big radiator, frostbite radiator from Summit, motor from Summit, transmission, everything from Summit. But yeah, this is the bottom of my car, even done. Like, man, for real though. Yeah, I did all this stuff myself. As a matter of fact, while we talking, I'm gonna crank it up for you so we can see what we really working with. I ain't gonna be able to hear me that good in the camera, but y'all get the concept. And this ain't no pat the gas when here. So I told you. Yeah, and this the first crank of the day. There ain't no kids out. Cut that Bluetooth off because I know y'all probably can't hear me now. And turn